Hello and welcome to Knit in the Womb Designs, where we do all of your left-handed knitting tutorials. And we are on episode 14 of our beginner knitting series. And today we are going to talk about pass, slipped, stitch, over, which you will usually see as PSSO. Okay, so typically you will see this paired with a knit two together or a knit one. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to slip the next stitch knitwise, and your pattern will usually tell you this. And then in my pattern, I'm knitting two together. Some patterns you just knit the next stitch. In this pattern, I'm knitting two together. Now I'm going to pass the slip stitch over the stitch I just did, and that is pass slip stitch over. Let's get to the next one, and we'll do that again so you can see. Okay, slip knitwise. Your pattern will usually tell you this. And in this pattern, I'm knitting two together. So I'm going to knit two together. Your pattern might say knit one. Now it's going to say PSSO. It is pass slip stitch over. It means grab this stitch and throw it over the top of the knit two together, or the knit one, whichever it was for you. In this case, it was a knit two together. If you want to see that one more time, let's do that one more time. Okay, slip knitwise. I'm going to work however many stitches that it tells me to do. In this case, it's knit two together. Pass slip stitch over, grab this stitch and put it over, just like that. And that is how you do a pass slip stitch over. This is similar to what it looks like. It's very similar to a slip slip knit. It will oftentimes be used in the same application as a slip slip knit. In this case, it would be used as a slip, slip, slip knit, but it's often used in that type of application. So I hope this was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, or you know somebody that it could be helpful for, make sure you share it with them, and you like and subscribe, and happy knitting.